Hello everybody, I'm back here again with some mixed news. There's a bit of a bummer, but also silver lining. So, my new gaming laptop from Amazon finally arrived, except it's not the one I ordered. I went for the Asus TUF F15 with an Intel Core i5-12500H and an RTX 3050, but what showed up was the Asus TUF-F15 with an i5-12450H and an RTX 3050 Ti. On one hand, the CPU is a slight downgrade, but on the other, the GPU is technically better. So I guess I didn't get totally scammed, but here's the real kicker. The packaging was terrible. The box seals were torn, the laptop and charger were rattling around inside, and the left hinge was completely loose. For the price I paid, that's beyond unacceptable. The worst part? Since I ordered this from the US 2 months ago and only just got it, Amazon's return window is long closed, so no refund, no exchange. I'm basically stuck with it. Now, for the good news. Even though it's not the exact model I wanted, it's kind of a free upgrade. Yeah, the CPU is weaker, but the 3050 Ti is a small win. And despite the awful packaging, the laptop itself is flawless. No scratches, perfect screen, all keys working. Oh, and that loose hinge? My girlfriend fixed it in 2 seconds. Just tightened it up and now it's good as new. This is my first gaming laptop, and while it's not the most powerful rig out there, it's what I could afford, and honestly, I'm still happy with it. But lesson learned, if you're buying something this expensive, try to get it in person, or at least inspect it the second it arrives to avoid surprises like this. Anyway, that's all for now. Sorry I couldn't do a proper unboxing with you all, but if you want to see more in the future, drop a like, comment, and let me know what you think. And please, have a good day, everybody.